How's it? I'm Barry Hilton. Welcome to my channel, Cousin Approved. Now today we're going to talk about something slightly different. Tupperware. But before we do that, you know it's the 21st century. Right? You can be anything you want in life. So from today, I'm the Tupperware lady. How's it? It's festival time, lots of people in your house. You need to make copious amounts of rice. Big pots on the stove, not anymore. Tupperware, in their wisdom, have put together a rice maker. Wait, I'm gonna get Mo to explain it. Fully.
How's it, Barry?
How's it?
Good, good. This is the rice maker from Tupperware. 2.5 cups of rice, water to the maximum full line, 20 minutes in the microwave, and you're done. If you want to make pap, same quantity, same time in the microwave.
Fabulous. The rice maker from Tupperware. You've got to buy this for your cousin. So there we have it. A rice maker from Tupperware. It's 169 rands. It's not as expensive as you think. Plus, Tupperware give you a lifetime guarantee.
Next, please.
Do you need to know more about any Tupperware product? Click on the link below and they'll get back to you straight away. I'm going to seal the deal now.